So here we are at the boutique hotel. We're just about to go to this place here. It's apparently a 12-minute walk, but 12 minutes turns into 24. We know what that's like. This is what it's like to be in Vietnam. To go to a supermarket. Hello, how are you? Good to see you. Yeah, we're going for a walk. Gonna get some stuff from the supermarket. And this is just different. Let's just say that. Hello. 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 Just gonna check where I am. It says a 12-minute walk, but who knows? Let's go down and have a look. Gives you the feel of the whole place. Hello, hello. You're on my vlog. Hey, hey. So yeah, it gives you the whole feel of the place. What's going on? I think Vietnam's grown on me. It's completely different from Australia. Completely different. You've got to watch kamikazes like that one. Got the old karaoke going there. Hello. Got to go up here apparently. Whoa. Watch them ones. We got here. Hey, hello. It's up here apparently. It's not too far. Doing some work. Hello. Say hello. On YouTube. Apparently. One day. What's happening? You smoking? You smoking?
What?
Smoking? No. Just saying hello. Hello.
Really?
No. What is it you got here? What's it? Oh, you got your smokes. Oh, okay. Okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. You got your last one. Last one. Okay. Say hello. So, everyone smokes here. So cheap. It's like $1 or $2 for a packet. Something similar to that. Just having a look. Hello. Whatever this is. What is that? That's some sort of oil thing. Just trying to give you a bit of an understanding of what's going on here. When you walk down the street, what sort of people you're going to see, what things you're going to look at. Me looking at Google Maps, which is telling me to go completely the wrong way, probably. Apparently we go up here. Now it's 12 minutes away, 8 minutes away. Alright. What's he doing at it? It's fucking weird. Yeah, it's 8 minutes away. Hey, cup of coffee. You doing all right? Coffee. Go. Hey, how are you? Not exactly what I was after. Am I recording? Yes, I am. furniture. Vietnam! Hey, how are you? Vietnam! Vietnam! Yay! Oh, come on! Hey, Vietnam! So yeah, this is what you do. You're going to go get some provisionals. Provisionals might be toothpaste. It might be, oh, that one. It might be that girl just was coming there, kamikaze. That might happen. What's this one? Oh, and this one here. Hey! Hello! How are you? What are you making now? Oh, you're heating it up. Hot. What for? You gonna put on something on it? Oh, okay, okay. See you later. Bye-bye. Still walking down this road. Recording. You gotta watch yourself everywhere you go. Hello! How are you? Not too good? Okay. He's picking his nose, that's fine. Let the guy pick his nose. Let's just keep on going. Hello! Too funny here. Anyway, first one. Okay. Look at this stuff. This is like a tiny little intersection. It's busy. Hello! You gotta film this stuff. You never see this back at home. See what I mean? I just stopped there for a second and I got into some traffic. Who would have thought? Hello! Hey! How are ya? Saying hello to everyone. No one said hello. So this is what happens, guys. You gotta watch the street, you gotta watch up here. Cross the street. Hello.
Hello.
This ain't too interesting, but we're gonna leave it in because we're filming everything. We should go up here. Yeah, this is where the interesting stuff is. Look at this. Hey, Vietnam! Okay. This is what you get walking to the shops. I'm just going down for a banana. Probably not. Supermarket. I said I want to go to the supermarket. She sends me down here. Supermarket. It's a long way to go to the supermarket. Come on. Hey buddy, how are you? You should always watch what you're doing, because the kamikaze, they're coming everywhere. Oh, supermarket. Oh, is that what she sent me to? Ah. Right. I said I wanted to go get a banana. She sent me to a shopping centre. Fair enough. Got some footage. It's not exactly what I was after. What you have to do for get a banana around here. Suppose I go back. On the hunt for the banana. Banana hunting. Hello. Hey. You've really got to get the feel of Vietnam. You can't just like cut something up in video. You need to experience the whole thing as a snippet. I'm telling you right now. Oh, here we go. Kamikaze. That's it. Hey. Vietnam. 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 Yes. Number one. Number one. Yes. See you later. Vietnam. Number one. Number one. Number one. So, walking up here. And a bit lost actually, but hey, hello. Oh. You think nothing's going to happen, then something happens. Amazing. Oh, look at that. What's going on here? So, back here again apparently. Here they go. Ooh, okay. You've got to always negotiate every turn. Every second you're negotiating. Pardon me, I've got a cold. Trying to shake it. It's been there for about a week. This guy's got all the cardboard. He's putting up there somewhere. He's putting up there somewhere. It's what to expect. It comes down to it. Put the cardboard up the back. Hey, hey. Oh, hello. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. Have I ever got time to do that? No, no time for that. I'm going to run out of battery for my filming. Yes. Okay. Vietnam. Nope. Keep doing it. You're all rubbed up. You're all rubbed up. Too much smog. Yeah? Too much smog. Yeah. That's what I thought. Yeah. Gotta go back to the hotel somehow. These guys. Oh, hello. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hey, this guy's waiting. Hey, how you going? All right, back to it. I think I'm getting away from the hotel. Maybe we should walk up that street. Yes, yes, that's what's going on. We've gone down the wrong street. There's nothing going on that one. So yeah, we're going back down there. Whole thing. Amazing. Hello. What have you got there? What's that?
Ngoài chi vậy không biết đường được.
Oh, cigarettes. Ah, put them on there. Okay. No, I'll just hello. Saying hello. Just saying hello. Cigarettes. All good. What's this? What are you saying? What do you do that for? Okay. 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 Fine. We're looking for the banana, remember? Don't get sidetracked. Butane is not on the menu. Or cigarettes. Imagine if I smoked. You wouldn't even hear me. Maybe that's a good thing. Yep. See, 2 hoots for a yes. That's what happened. What are you doing? What are you doing here? You're doing the bikes. This way. Up here? Okay. I never asked the question, but he's just pointing me in some sort of direction. Isn't that amazing? He thinks I want to go over there. Maybe I do. Do I want some clothing? I'll just ask the wife. What do you think? No. Thank you very much. Still after that banana. The quest for the banana. So we're continuing on with the banana quest, search or quest, I suppose it's a quest. Still haven't got what I wanted, let's just say that. If I wanted some paint, fair enough. If I wanted some hardware stuff, I probably would have found it. You know what I'm talking about. If I wanted a paintbrush, there was one there. If I wanted, how about I wanted a remote? They're all here. They're all here. But I want a banana. I want a banana. I don't want a remote. So, hello. And then we've got more remotes here. But I want a banana. I went out looking for a banana. More remotes. Okay. The quest continues. Just want one banana, not like a bunch, you know. It's like a bunch of remotes. Come on, where do you find them? I've got 3 bunches of remotes. I just want one banana. Too much to ask for. I'm in the hardware section. Hello, how are you? Hey. Wow. Hardware section. They have everything, including the kitchen sink, but not a banana. Still looking for that banana. Hey! No, no good. Hey, how are you?
Mà cầm súng đi đâu đó cha.
Yep. Absolutely. For my Vietnamese subscribers, if he says something bad, let me know in the comments. Of course. So the banana quest is still going. Apparently we've got to go up the road. I just checked my hair and this lady said, I look okay? Yeah? No? Undecided. Well, here we go. Pushing on. So we're back at it again. Selling tickets. Hello.
Ôi.
So we've got to go up to the, we've got to get a banana. We're still looking for a banana. We're looking for a banana. Banana. What are you smoking there? Yeah. Banana. What are you smoking there? No, it's not the hash? No, no. Okay. Come on. See you later. Look at this place. This is just one of the corners. Yeah, so decisions. We've got to cross this one. Yep. We've got to cross it. Apparently we've got to go up and over. We've got to negotiate things. Where are you going? You going for here? Alright, see? Negotiations. It's happening. You just got to talk to them. Visually. Whoop. Speedy. Yeah. You're going to find them. And these ones coming up here. Look at this here. Check it out. Yeah. It's a shot. That's the shot. Anyway, we're pushing on. These guys are over here in the shade, probably the best thing. What are they?
Yeah.
Pizza. Pizza. Is it pizza? Are they pizza? Pizza? Is it, okay. I'll go to the shops, I'll come back. Okay? I'll come back. Thank you. Come on. The shops, it's up here, it's up here. Okay. I could be officially lost. Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
It's too funny. I should work for a radio station with my husky voice. And welcome to the show. Yes, you will see this, and you'll see some craziness. And a little bit of more craziness thrown in with madness. Walking to the shops to find a banana. What you have to do to get a banana these days. This picture knows. Maybe he doesn't. This dog probably knows. Whoosh. Smell that place. Whoosh. Whoosh. Incense for days. Nope. Not going in there. I'll be coughing more.
Turn right.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to go turn right. Jesus. This banana quest has turned into an epic. Do. It says turn right. When? Back there? Google. So we're going back. Sweating. We're going up the alleyway. Can we go through here? Come through? Come from? Google says go up here. It's okay. Hello. So, you gotta watch everyone here. Hello. You gotta watch your back, you watch your front, you watch your sideways, and even watch the corners. Let's just say you just watch everything. The whole circumference. Be completely alert. Okay, this is pretty quiet. Sort of ready for the kamikaze to come in sideways. Oh, here we go. Cue. No, he's gone. Cue the kamikaze. 1, 2, 3, and here they come. Whoa, come through. Hey. And you wasn't far. It's like you can't have a moment by yourself without one of these ones coming through. Hey. Just saying hello. Hello. Vietnam. Winner.
Vietnam,
yeah, 4-0.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, look out. Like I said, gotta watch your back. Hey, buddy. Hey. Sit, Michael. On a banana quest. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Oh. Righto, yeah. Cool. I think he was too nice. I have arrived. Oh dear. The banana quest continues. Google sent me to, I have no idea. But we're pushing on.
Lại cầm cái này này, đúng.
You guys winning? Who's winning?
Nói gì nè?
Ooh, camera.
Tạm hiểu mà.
Camera. No English.
No.
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 Oh.
No.
Okay, bye. Hey, do you want to say hello? Fuck you. This is not a nice part of town, to be honest. I think I'm going to get out. I think I'm in the dodgy area. As we're walking down here, Dragon Bridge down up here. Looking for a banana. There's probably a thumbnail. You know what you like out there. Slippery. Trying to negotiate the traffic again. Mart, want a banana? Still looking for a banana? I will show everyone when I get there. I've got a banana. The quest is still on. Come. Come. Hello! This is probably the longest walk to get a banana I've ever done. I've gone around the block. Noodle has sent me around the blend. He's bending me up. Go to Vietnam, they say. Go get a banana. How long does that take? It's taking a while. Nothing up here. This guy's taking it easy. He's taking it easy. Oh, no. Just walking up the road here. Going to go get some bananas.
Okay.
No. I'll just walk up here. I'll walk. Vietnam. Okay. Hey? Picture. He wants a picture. There you go. Gotta clean the lens. So I can cleanse my lungs. Anyway. Hello! Hey! I think I'm going to put this as the longest banana hunt I've ever seen. No one's ever gone for a banana hunt like this. See all sorts of stuff. Hello! Oh, not too friendly right now. Hello just does not cut it. And the quest, hopefully, is finished. We have a Mart. So we're going in. Hello. I just walk forever. How are you? Okay. So we're after this. So finally made it in here. So I was after bananas. So I got 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4, 5 and 6. Alright, so all the bananas are in a row. Yes! Happy days. Thank you. Right, so the quest for bananas has finished. Bananas are in pyjamas. We're going back home. We're kamikaze. So that's it. That's how you get bananas in Vietnam. Da Nang. No, Da Nang. Da Nang. It's not Da Nang. Da Nang. Always watch for those kamikazes. You think it's ending now? No, it's probably another one. What about another one? Come on, give me another one. Come on. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Beep beep. There you go, banana quest over.